Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be creating the iconic 2016's makeup look. 2016 was all about this carved eyebrows, glitter, cut creases and bold matte lip. 10 years ago the makeup was super different from it is now. Now it's more of like a clean girl, more natural looking makeup. At that time everybody used to do this iconic makeup and literally on everyday basis. And it's so nice that people are like recreating this beautiful iconic 2016 looks, and I'm very excited about this. So we're also gonna do the same today. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. Before starting the makeup, we used to use this setting spray as a primer. So we're gonna do that. So I'm just gonna apply this. So I'm just letting it dry. Back then in 2016, we used to start with brows because we used to carve them out and make them like block shaped. So we're gonna be doing the same. For this, you need two things. First is this brow pomade and then this very sharp looking eyebrow brush. So let's just carve our brows out now. Okay, starting from the bottom like this. And from up here, you're supposed to make like an arc in here, like so. Brows used to be very boxy and super filled in and super dark. So we're just gonna fill in and make this beautiful arc shape. Now I'm doing the other side. Okay, so brows are done. Next step is gonna be carving them out, and I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Instant Age Remind Concealer for that. Starting from the front and taking it all around the brows like so, and carving from above as well like so. Doing this on the other side as well. Make your brows symmetrical as possible, blending out the edges now with the brush. Okay, the brows are looking snatched. After the brows, we're gonna be starting with the eyes. For prepping your eyes, you can use a primer, or if you don't have it, just use your concealer. Now setting this with a translucent powder. Okay, so for this look, we're going to be digging into this Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. Actually, it has every single shade that 2016 people used to wear. These warm tones with this golden hues, with this chocolatey browns. So I'm going to be using this shade first. It's called MFED. I'm going to take this warm tone transition shade and put it all over the crease like so. I'm gonna be taking this shade called Silk Cream and just putting it on top of it, just to intensify the warmth. Now I'm gonna be digging into some of these deeper shades right here. I'm gonna be taking this shade called Mocha, applying this on the outer corners. Now I'm going to be taking this Central Park shade, using this closer to my lash line, just on the outer corners, just to create some of this depth on the outer corners, just like that. I'm taking this more fluffier brush and just kind of like blending out everything so it looks seamless. Now the main part comes to cut a crease. I'm just using the same concealer to cut this crease out. I always put my concealer on top of the crease line so that a cut crease is visible. Always starting from inner corners and taking it towards the lids like that. Now I'm taking this golden shade. I'm gonna put this gold shade all over. Now I'm going to be taking this dark brown shimmer shade. I'm going to use this shimmer to apply to blend in between the mattes and the cut crease that we created, so it looks seamlessly blended. Next step, applying a lighter shade on our inner corners. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. Like that. Now for the eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this NYX Epic Ink Liner. The eyeliner should be pretty thick, so I'm just gonna apply it. I think that looks good. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so the eyeliner looks pretty symmetrical. Now, next step is gonna be our eyelashes. So the final step is gonna be our eyelashes. For that, I'm gonna be using these ones from PAC. Okay, so the eyes are complete now. Let's start with the base. Okay, so now the foundation in 2016 was all about this matte full coverage foundation. So for that, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I'm applying the concealer in this triangle shape like that. Also applying this on the forehead and on the chin. Now I'm gonna blend it out with my puff. Now setting it up with a translucent powder and baking it out like so. And 2016 was all about this baking, so we're gonna do the same. Sculpting out our jawline as well and taking the rest all over and setting all over the face. Letting the powder do its magic, we're gonna start with a bronzer. For the bronzing, I'm gonna be using this contour bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. I will be applying a lot of bronzer because 2016 was all about bronzing. Also sculpting out the cheekbones as well. Now I'm gonna bronze up my nose. Now I'm gonna finish up the eyes using the transition shade. And now I'm taking this chocolate brown color and putting it on the outer corners. Now for the last step, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara for my lower lash line. Okay, next, 2016 was all about this blinding highlighter. I'm gonna be using this K-Beauty highlighter. It's in the shade Frosted Ice. I'm gonna apply this on my high points of my face like so. And I'm also putting some highlighter on my brow bone as well. As you can see, the glow. And also highlighting our nose as well. And also the nose bridge as well. We're gonna skip the blush because the blush wasn't trendy at that time. Also highlighting the Cupid's bow as well. So now in 2016, they used to not put gloss on their lips. They used to just apply this liquid lipstick on their lips and that's it. So I'm gonna be lining my lips using this K-Beauty lip liner. Then I'm gonna be using this Ink Velvet number 17 from Peri Para. Okay, so this is how the makeup has turned out. I think it looks so beautiful and I really love doing this and recreating this 2016 makeup. As you can see, it was super creative. I love the eyes. I feel like it looks so good on me. My face just looks so snatched and flawless right now because of the matte base that we created. So this was the final look, guys. I hope you really liked it. If it did, please consider subscribing my channel, liking this video. I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one. Until that, bye bye.